Hi, welcome to Guaranty RV. My name is Kirk Blair and I'm going to show you this 2019 Catalina 221 TBS. It's a cool little floor plan. It actually has a lot going on with it. It's got a little slide out. Let's walk around down the side and kind of look at some stuff out here on this beautiful day we have. Dual propane tanks on the front. The bigger one's a 7-gallon. Pass through across the front. Nice slide out here. So your dinette is in this slide out. I'll show you this little floor plan inside when we get in there. And as you make your way across the back, you do have your water hookups here in the backside, and you do have the city water and your black tank flush, which is an awesome feature on trailers. They're kind of coming out with a lot of them these days. The Catalinas have the black tank flush, help you rinse out the black tank, keeping that fresh. Spare tire mounted on the back. This guy here has a power awning, pretty good size awning for a little trailer. It's got the nice sturdy step. It's going to have outdoor speakers on it as well. It is a Catalina SBX. Let's go inside and take a look. So we come inside, you can see it's pretty spacious for a little trailer. It's not huge, but make your way around the way here. We got our kitchen area, nice countertop. It actually has an undermount sink with extra tops here, so you got nice counter space. Nice nor cold refrigerator. Storage across here, which is awesome. You can never have enough storage. You're gonna kind of have an upper closet area on there, and then you have a little pantry below. Rear bath. So it's a decent rear bathroom with some counter space and a sink in there. A lot of little trailers don't have the sink in there, and this does. And it's got some counter space, some nice features that way. As you make your way around, you got your bunks with storage space, lots of bunks there. Lots of good storage. Your kids, your friends, buddies, hunting, whatever you got going on, makes well for that. The dinette is a nice big dinette booth that also makes into a bed. So you got plenty of sleeping in this trailer. You're gonna have your front entertainment area here and a nice front private bedroom. Now I'll go in here and I'll kind of show you. There's plenty of room in this bedroom to maneuver about, get dressed, storage space, nice non-claustrophobic over the bed edge here. Space, room, storage. Let's see here. Well, as far as this trailer or anything else here at Guaranty, my name is Kirk Blair. I'm happy to help you. Captain Kirk. My cell phone is 541-601-8742. Feel free to call or text. I'm happy to help you here at Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. Hope you have a great day.